Hi, I'm Daniel Lesor. Welcome to Walk Your Plans, Northwest Arkansas. The purpose of our studio is to help you as a custom home builder, as a designer, as a commercial builder, come to grips with what that one-to-one full-scale impression of your future home, future office, future clinic, future studio is going to look like right here. We're the only studio in the country that offers 2 elevation walls that are truly connected to the floor. We're the only studio in Northwest Arkansas that offers a completely immersive experience, offering 3D capabilities through 2 different partners. We offer a 2-dimensional opportunity with a product called Evolve by Walk Your Plans. We are here to help you address any outstanding concerns or questions before you build. Last week we had a really interesting walk here at Walk Your Plans. Not only on scale, the home itself was absolutely gorgeous at 10,000 square feet. Our floor space here at Walk Your Plans is 49 by 46. And so what we do is we slide the floor or the image over and we adjust the walls to match. But her opportunity was that she was slightly vision impaired. And so by turning off the house lights and creating a really rich floor image, we gave her a full-scale impression of what her new home is going to look like. The expense of you putting the freezer and the cooler opposite wise does not make any sense at all.
Right.
Because they're working against each other.
Right.
What should happen is you should have cooler walk through cooler to get to freezer.
Right. Yeah, this is really cool. Have you ever used anything like this?
No, I've seen the Vibe boards.
Yeah.
I've used a couple of those at some other firms, at some architect firms.
Yeah.
But I've never been in. I've always wanted to. I've seen this in Dallas and a few other places. I've wanted to go. So I'm so glad you're here. Architect had that bathroom had the door swinging at the toilet.
Right.
So you couldn't get to the sink. If you swung it the other way, you couldn't get to the toilet. So being able to do this is going to be so helpful.
So Walk Your Plans, Northwest Arkansas, we're pretty easy to find. We're located here in Fayetteville off of Township. The reason you were going to come here to our immersive studio to get the answers you want about your upcoming build or project is because we have the world's greatest conference room. Decisions happen here, confidence happens here, and commitment to build happens here. And we want you to bring yourselves and those insecurities about that project here to leave knowing full well that you're about to experience something really tremendous in just a few months. You can find us online at www.walkyourplansnwa.com, or you can call us at 479-530-6303.
So you've got stove, cabinetry, island with seating and sink, refrigerator here.
Yep.
Okay. So you're cooking here.
Yeah.
And then you're washing dishes. The only thing questionable to me is that is a tiny table right there.
Storage is actually really nice.
Yeah, it just tightens up the garage a lot, which is interesting.